For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The world is currently reeling under coronavirus pandemic, and along with that, cases of people having depression and anxiety have risen. On 14th June 2020, the entire country and Bollywood woke up to a heartbreaking news of MS Dhoni biopic starrer Sushant Singh Rajput's death. He was found hanging in his room at his residence in Bandra, according to police reports. This is no less than a wake-up call on how important it is to help someone with depression and suicidal thoughts. While mental health issues can greatly contribute to suicides, the Center for Disease Control says suicide is more than a mental health concern. In fact, they say suicide is rarely caused by a single factor, and a person does not have to be diagnosed with a mental health condition in order to be at risk for suicide. Does your loved one refuse to make plans or talk about feelings of helplessness or hint about how they might take their lives? Don't ignore these words, as they are the biggest signs that your loved one is suicidal. Do not judge them either, as they have probably tried very hard or are now struggling to keep up. They are also silently seeking help, and your intervention can save their lives. Here are a few tips on how you can try to help. The reality is that anyone with suicidal intentions has passing thoughts of death in a desire to end their misery. So give your hand first and let them speak their mind. Be prepared with questions like what they are up to and why. Expressing love to someone in need can take a long way towards limiting the feelings of helplessness and isolation. Let them know how much you love and care for them, and taking the ghastly step will never be easy for them. If your loved one has suicidal thoughts, they will probably shut down and stop doing what they enjoy the most. If you notice any such signs, encourage them to do things they have always enjoyed. Take them out to chase their favorite hobby. Also, motivate them to try out new activities. If they are not responding well to your love and care, do the legwork for them and take them to a good psychologist. If they are reluctant to seek help, encourage them with words like, "Do this for your loved ones," or "Try it out for the sake of your life." Sometimes an unqualified professional can make things even worse. So do your research well in finding the best expert and motivate them to not give up so soon. It might just be your instinct to help your loved ones with their responsibilities, but knowing that others are depending on them can help them resist suicidal thoughts. Just make sure that the responsibilities are compelling and not overwhelming. Make them realize that they are important and that they make meaningful contributions to others' life. If your loved one plans to cause harm to his or herself, take the sign very seriously. You can counter the suicidal thoughts by helping them plan their future. Hope is one thing people suffering with depression need the most. Make sure that there is always someone around them. If you can't meet in person, you can simply conference call or add them to a group chat. Just be sure not to post anything about their feelings on social media, as it could bring out feelings of shame in such a public space. A common behavior seen in most people having suicidal thoughts is calling their loved ones or writing letters or making a video before taking final steps. And if your loved one has opened up, don't try to minimize any self-harming talk. Ignoring red flags can only make the situation worse. The best thing to do is to show that you hear them.